Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just wanted to let you know about a house that we just got under contract for $8,000 above the asking price. So this house was one of my client's houses that she bought a couple years ago from me as a short sale. So this is kind of what I was talking about with some of the other videos. So she purchased this thing as a short sale for I think $379 if I remember correct, or $369. I have to go back and look. Anyhow, right in that range. And she lived there for about 3 years. She put, I think she said around $70,000 if I remember correctly into this house over the last 3 years. She put new carpet in, a couple new air conditioners, put some tile, new bathroom, paint, interior, exterior, artificial grass, front yard and backyard. And you guys can see all the videos of and pictures of these items that she did. Oh, tile, new tile floors for part of the house, granite countertops. So she just did those normal upgrades as she lived in the house, and then she decided to move, and of course we just put it on the market for $530,000 and got offers, multiple offers, all the way to $538,000 is where the offer is right now, that I think she's going to be accepting on. And so anyhow, yeah, this is kind of what I was talking about. And of course this is a higher price point than a lot of people could do, but nonetheless it still shows you that you can purchase a house that needs some fix up and do the fix ups and do the upgrades while you live in the house, and it increased equity. And then she sold it. Now you can utilize that money for your flipped houses if you wanted to. But nonetheless, after she's all said and done with this thing, she's gonna have over a $50,000 profit on this house, and she got to live in it on top of it. So what better way to do that? So again, just shows you guys to look for these things out there. And real estate isn't all about instant money where you can make something in a couple days or a couple weeks. Sometimes it might be something like this, a little bit longer term investment. But again, she was living there as her primary home, so it didn't matter. She needed somewhere to live anyhow. It was better than renting, obviously. She was gaining the equity in the house, and like I said, fixed it up and then sold it for a profit. But in the meantime, she and our family lived there for, like I said, about 3 years. So anyhow, anybody that's looking to get into real estate, if they don't already own their own house, I would say definitely buy your own house first, because then you can utilize it for all kinds of different ways. Whether you did a line of credit with it, you used it like this to move forward and actually use that profit from it when you sell the house to buy another house and or flips or rental properties or whatever it might be. But I would say get in the game, buy a house now. Interest rates are really, really low, historically low as a matter of fact. So definitely get in right now, buy a house if you can with whatever you got. As long as you got income, you can utilize grant programs or anything like we talked about. If you have the down payment, 3%, 5%, 20% to eliminate mortgage insurance. If you put down 20%, do it, because now is a great time to get into real estate and, like I said, get the profit from it. So give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the link down below to subscribe for the free Facebook page. That way I can talk to you guys a little bit more. We'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.